What's up, cooks? We have something special in the kitchen today. We got this outdoor fire pit sent to us by KingSo, and we're gonna try this out. We're gonna put it together. We're gonna build a fire. And what's interesting about this fire pit is it has a swingable grill that goes over the top. So not only you can do a campfire, you can also grill up dinner. So join me. Let's take a look at the 30-inch outdoor fire pit from KingSo. So our mission right now is to put together this fire pit. So this is a 2-in-1 30-inch outdoor fire pit. It does come with a cooking grate, a spark screen, a fire poker, and yeah. So Eric's gonna get this out of the box and we're gonna put this thing together and we will start our first fire. Okay, so I got the box open and we're gonna put this thing together. Looks pretty simple, just basic assembly. And soon as it's together, I will show you how this thing works. Okay, so we have the fire pit set up. They suggested we put a little bit of sand in it, so that's what we did. We put a little bit of sand in the bottom. The way this fire pit works is we're gonna make our fire just as you would with any fire pit. So this grate moves from away from the fire so you can have a regular campfire. If you want to cook, you can just go ahead and, well, you can take it off totally to just have a campfire. And it has a grate to put over the top to keep the sparks and stuff from coming out, like a traditional fire. But you also have your grill. So when you're ready to have some dinner, you just put this on here. You can swing it back and forth to regulate the temperature on it. You can have hot zones and cold zones, all that fun stuff. So we're gonna build a fire. We'll be back because it's cold out here. We need to get toasty warm with this fire. And we have a few things we're gonna grill up. We're gonna grill some brats. We're gonna grill some chicken skewers, and we're gonna grill us some vegetables. I have some zucchini. So as soon as the fire is roaring, we'll be back to cook us some yummy dinner. Okay, boo, light her up. Hurry, it's cold out here. Okay, so the fire is roaring now. It's cold out here, but it's nice and toasty next to the fire. Eric is enjoying himself a little too much here. So when this sort of cools on down, we're gonna go ahead and put the food on. So we're gonna sit here, relax, and when we're ready, we'll be back. So the wood is ashed over a little bit and we're getting ready to grill. So we got chicken skewers.
The store-bought, marinated.
So I haven't seen too many fire pits that actually have a grill like this on them. This is pretty cool. So we're gonna let these go a little bit and then we'll put the zucchini on. Okay, so the meat's starting to cook and we're gonna go ahead and put on the zucchini planks. It's really hot down by the grill. I mean down by the fire. So we raised the grill up a little bit.
You marinate this with oil and stuff, Bobo?
Yeah, I just put some oil. It's just basic salt, pepper, and a little garlic. Granulated garlic.
So be careful of possible flare-ups then?
Yeah. So we're looking pretty good. The meat is nice and grilled, and so is the zucchini. In terms of this barbecue grill, this thing is awesome. I haven't seen too many that have a grill like this on it. I think this makes it a full function fire pit. And I would say this gets the Amy Learns to Cook thumbs up. So we're going to take this in. We're going to plate it up and we're going to take a taste. Okay, so first off about the fire pit. Like I said, that thing was awesome. We had a lot of fun building a fire, sitting around it. You could roast some marshmallows on it. It was big. You could put a big roaring fire in it. We've had one in the past. It was really small and really you couldn't put hardly any logs in it. This thing, you could fill that baby up and have a nice fire and have a lot of people sitting around it. In terms of the bonus of it has a grill on the top. So, I mean, how can you not like that? So we grilled up a little chicken here. I need to take a little taste of the chicken. It's delicious. Nice grill marks and really tasty. So Eric's gonna eat one of these brats. So Eric just wants mustard on his brat. So. Okay, go ahead and get it off.
All right.
Okay, have a taste, bro.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think that gets the Eric approval. We also have a little bit of zucchini here. So we're getting ready to go have a feast. So KingSo, thank you for sponsoring this video and sending us this fire pit to try out with the grill. It is amazing. If you would like to take a look at it, go ahead and use the link below in the description. You're gonna have a lot of fun with this thing. It is a blast. We can't wait to have friends over and have a nice fire. So again, links are in the description. Thank you, KingSo. It was great. If you like this video, please subscribe below and come on out and visit me in my Facebook group, facebook.com/group/Amy Learns to Cook. You can also catch me out on social media at Amy Learns to Cook, Pinterest and Twitter. And on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. So now we gotta go eat dinner.
Right.
Eric approves.
Cheers.